Is your NVIDIA drivers not downloading, installing, detected, loading, or working? Then you are at the right place, as here is how to fix the issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. Drivers are the most important piece of software that runs hand in hand with the operating system and lets the components of your computer perform their tasks with ease. In this video, we will show you what you can do if NVIDIA drivers aren't downloading, installing, detecting, loading, or working in Windows. Let's get started. Method 1. Check physical connections. There are huge chances that the state of physical connections like wires and PC components might cause the issue. Make sure that all the connections are well in place when you see the error. If you encounter any connection issues, fix them and then try installing the NVIDIA drivers. Method 2. End task related to NVIDIA drivers. Sometimes you may see these errors when you are trying to update the existing NVIDIA drivers while they are still running in the background. You have to close them using the Task Manager. Open Task Manager, then in Task Manager, right-click all the NVIDIA processes you see and select End Task to stop them. Then try installing the drivers. If you are still unable to install them, uninstall NVIDIA drivers using the Device Manager or any third-party application. Then restart your PC and try installing the drivers. Method 3. Manually download the correct drivers. When the drivers we download do not match the device, we will face issues while installing them. We have to download the right version of NVIDIA drivers that are suitable for the hardware and components of our PC. With the right drivers, we can install them without any issues. Method 4. Update Windows. If you are still facing the issue with the NVIDIA drivers, you have to manually check for the Windows optional updates and install them if there are any. The update will correct the misconfiguration with NVIDIA drivers by automatically installing or updating them. Method 5. Update GeForce Experience. GeForce Experience is an app developed by NVIDIA. Gamers can use it to configure the graphics settings for video games. In addition, NVIDIA GeForce Experience can be used to update NVIDIA graphics card drivers. If you are unable to update or install graphics card drivers using GeForce Experience, it is recommended that you update the app. Method 6. Uninstall and reinstall the GeForce Experience. If the above fix didn't help, uninstall the GeForce Experience from your computer. Then download the latest version of GeForce Experience from NVIDIA's official website and reinstall it. But this time, you have to install the GeForce Experience by running it as administrator. Right-click on the installer file and select Run as administrator. Method 7. Turn off your antivirus. It is also possible that your antivirus suite is blocking GeForce Experience from updating drivers. It is recommended to temporarily disable your antivirus software and see if this resolves the problem. You can turn your antivirus back on after updating or installing the drivers. Your problem might have been fixed by now. There are many third-party applications that can be used to install or update drivers. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.